pork Shaomai, which is just a steamed dumplings. Now let's add soy sauce to the pork, then white pepper, sugar, salt, and a little bit of water. Mix very well. Then we'll continue adding water a little bit at a time and stir each time. We're going to add chopped green onions, ginger, and finely chopped shrimp. Continue stir, add sesame oil, and mix very well. Now let's take a wrapper. Add about 1½ tablespoon filling in the center of the wrapper. Then make a hollow fist and then put the wrapper with filling into the hole of your fist. Then place the Shaomai on a flat surface like cutting board and squeeze the sides of the Shaomai to make sure Shaomai will stand firm. Use this dumpling tool or a plastic knife. Add more fillings if necessary, then smooth it out. To cook, we need to add 4 cups water in the steamer. Then we lay the steamer rack with parchment paper or cupcake liner. Then we'll place Shaomai on top. Decorate Shaomai with a little bit carrot. Steam about 8 to 10 minutes until they're done. I'm going to use the spicy pasta sauce. We have both regular and spicy. I love spicy. Good. Enjoy your pastakers, dumplings, and Shaomai and baos with these sauces. No preservatives, no MSG added, no lactose corn syrup.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.